Let's learn the chapter in the mathematics of standard 6th. The name of the chapter is angles. Today we learn the remaining part of this chapter. So let's learn, okay? All students have a compass box, but they don't know the instruments in their compass. So students, do you like to know the names and use of the instruments in the compass box? Okay, let's get to know your compass box. First is ruler, or we can say it as a scale. The use of this ruler is to draw a straight line with a particular measurement. Second instrument is compass. Use of this compass is to draw a circle, bisector, arc, etc. The instrument shown alongside is a divider. It is used to measure the distance between two points. To do so, the scale also has to be used along with the divider. Next is a protractor. A protractor is a measuring instrument typically made of transparent plastic or glass for measuring angles in degrees. Set squares. Look at the two set squares in the box and observe their angles. Try to see how they can be used to draw angles of 90 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree and 45 degree. This set square also used to draw the perpendicular line on the line segment. Now students, you have learned what these instruments are used, okay, which are present in our compass. So from today, use these words or their names in your daily vocabulary. Now the next topic, that is an angle bisector. Let us see how to use geometrical instruments to construct geometrical figures. First we will see to draw an angle bisector using a compass. First example is draw any angle ABC and draw its bisector. An angle ABC of any measure. Point of a compass on point B, and with the convenient distance draw an arc to cut ray BA and BC like this or in this way. Intersection as P and Q respectively. Compass at point Q and taking a convenient distance. Draw an arc inside the angle. Using the same distance, draw another arc inside the angle from another point to cut the previous arc. Name the point of intersection as point O. We get the ray BO. Ray BO is the bisector of angle ABC. Now measure angle ABO and angle CBO. Are they of equal measure? Yes. Then next we will see to construct an angle equal in measure to given angle using a compass and ruler. Look at the given angle ABC in the figure alongside. Draw angle PQR equal in measure to angle ABC. Firstly, draw ray QR. I already draw an angle ABC here. Using the same distance of BD, place the compass point at point Q of ray QR and draw an arc. Let this arc cut the ray QR at a T. Now place the point of the compass at a point E and open the compass to a distance equal to DE. Now place the compass point on a point T. Using the distance equal to DE, draw an arc to cut the previous arc as S. Draw the ray QS. Take any point P on ray QS. Then using a protractor, verify the angle PQR so form is of the same measure as angle ABC. Both angles are equal in measure. Now you try to solve the examples in this practice set 3.